Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge collective haul for you guys. I'm so excited about this one. I have so many items. I have things from Victoria's Secret, Dossier, lots of Revolve, Skims, a lot of Skims actually, Nike, literally just so much stuff that I'm really excited to share with you guys. These are all the items that I bought within the past month that I haven't mentioned in other videos, so I'm really excited. All these items will be linked in the description box for you guys to shop. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I want to talk really quickly about Dossier. I love Dossier so much. I love working with them, and so thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. If you guys don't know what Dossier is, basically they are a fragrance website that replicates designer-inspired fragrances for a fraction of the cost. They are freaking amazing. I love them so much. I have a discount code for you guys. It's HANNAHVICTORIA10 for 10% off your order. So I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. They have so many different fragrances to choose from on their website. So many different designers, Tom Ford, Chanel, YSL, everything. So I'm obsessed with them, and I got 2 new fragrances to show you guys in this video. So let's see what they are. This first one is called Citrus Neroli. It's inspired by Tom Ford Neroli Portfolio EDP. Ooh. So the notes are neroli, bergamot, mandarin, and lemon. There's a few other like notes as well, but those are the top notes. Definitely is a lot different than like what I would normally go for, but I'm obsessed. So definitely check this one out. I don't know if I mentioned this, but they do have free 30-day returns, which is amazing. So you can't beat that. Okay, so this next one that I have is called AMBERY Cherry, and it's inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry EDP. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, okay. I'm immediately obsessed with this one. Wow. Okay, it definitely is like very cherry, almondy. It's got some cinnamon in it. Wow. Okay, I'm obsessed with this one. I love them. Okay, like how freaking cool are the caps? They're like magnetic. Yeah. Be sure to check out Dossier. I'll have them linked in the description box. Don't forget to use my discount code HANNAHVICTORIA10 for 10% off your order. Thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. They're literally my favorite like fragrance company of all time. They have the best scents and for such an affordable price. So yes, I love them so much. And without further ado, let's get into the rest of the haul. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with something pretty random, but this is not sponsored by them or anything, but it's called Pura. So basically it is something for the home. Okay, it's not in here. I forgot, it's plugged up literally in my living room. But basically it's this little device that you plug into an outlet, and you can put 2 scents in it at a time, and it connects to your phone like via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, something like that, and you can control which scent you want, and it is amazing. It has a little night light. You can change the color. Mine's pink, of course. I'm obsessed with it. It smells so good. It lets you know like when it's running low. I'll throw up a picture of like what it looks like over here, but yeah, it's by the brand Pura. I just bought the like home essentials kit or something. It was like a starter kit, I don't know, but it's freaking awesome. So yeah, it shows you get like 2 scents, connects to that, and you can control it through your phone. So I just had to show you guys this because it's one of my new like favorite home finds, and you guys definitely should check it out. It's amazing. So I'll have a link down below. Like I said, it's not sponsored, but I've heard a lot of influencers talk about this item, and I just had to mention it because I tried it out. But every time I come home, my freaking apartment smells so good. So definitely recommend. I used to use the wallflower scents from Bath & Body Works, but this is just like 10 times better. Another random item. So today, actually yesterday, was the first day of the Sephora VIB sale for Rouge members. And I was planning on purchasing this during the sale, but I knew I wouldn't get it for a while. So I just bit the bullet and bought it on Amazon, and I'm so glad that I did. But it's the NuFace Mini. I don't really know. I think that's just the name, but I actually have it right here. So it's this little device, and it's got like, what kind of technology? Microcurrent technology. And you basically like clean your face, and then you put this gel on it, and then you go like on your jawline, on your cheekbones, down your neck. And sorry guys, my camera cut off. Anyways, what I was saying is it like sculpts your face. It's kind of like a gua sha, but like it uses microcurrent technology, whatever that is. I don't know. And I don't know, you're supposed to see like really good results. So I've only used it a couple of times because I literally just got it in the mail the other day. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really, really excited about it. Not much to say because I haven't used it that much. But yeah, I don't know. I've heard so many influencers talking about this. I just had to get it. You can use it on your forehead, cheeks, jawline, jowls, and neck. It doesn't hurt or anything, if you guys are wondering. Okay, so I guess I'll go ahead and talk about my new shoes that I got. I actually mentioned this in a vlog, so I'm kind of cheating. But if you guys don't watch my vlogs, then you haven't seen these yet. So they're the Nike Dunk Low Laser Orange shoes, and they are beautiful. I wore them to the Charlotte Hornets versus the New York Knicks game the other week. I literally went to Charlotte for like a little day trip with one of my best friends, and it was so much fun. And the Knicks are orange. I wasn't necessarily pulling for the Knicks because I'm from North Carolina, but I had to wear them, you know? So I wore it with some jeans and like a really cute orange top to match, and I got so many compliments on them, and they're perfect. I'm obsessed with dunks. I need more. I have like 3 pairs, but yeah, I don't know. They're kind of hard to style because it's such a weird color. It's like not a true orange and not a true yellow. It's like in between, but I love them. I got them from Goat, if you guys are wondering, and in a size women's 7, so love them. Okay, so next up from Skims, I had 2 orders, one in that bag and then a huge box. So I'm gonna try and go through this pretty quickly because I have so many things. So I got this little bra top. I don't know what it's called. I'll have all these items linked down below. And then the matching boxers with it. I'm pretty sure this is like the heather gray. I got this in a small and this in a small. Because I don't know, usually I get their tops in an extra small, but I wasn't sure. But the boxers run so small. Like I'm normally a size 0/24, and that's like an extra small or extra small. But I had to go up to a small in these because I have these in the extra small size, and they are like cutting off my circulation in the band. So yeah, I got this little set. I also got a little bandeau top. This one's in the color Onyx, and I have this already, but I have it in extra small because it was the only size they had available at the time. So I had to go up 2 sizes. I had to go up to a medium because they run so small. So got this. I also got this set. It's, I don't even know, I think it's in the shade Mineral Blue, but it's a little like cotton rib sleep tank. And I got that in a small. I do have that already in a couple different colors in an extra small, and I can't really tell a huge difference. I might like the extra small a little bit better, but same thing with these shorts. I had to go up a size because they run pretty small. So I got these in a small as well. Okay, a lot of items that I haven't opened yet. I got another pair of the little cotton rib boxers, I think is what they're called, in Onyx. I got another bandeau top in Cocoa, I think. Same size medium. These were in a small. Then I got another boxer in like, I don't even know what shade it is. Bone, yeah, same size. Then I got a little like crop tank in Onyx in a size small. Super cute. Like I feel like I could wear this to bed or like wear out. Then I'm really excited about this one. It's the bandeau top that I just showed you in Cocoa and black, but this one's in neon pink. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And then last but not least for Skims, I got the same little crop tank that I just showed you guys in black, but in bone, to go with my bone boxers. So super cute. That's all my Skims items. That was a lot. Okay, so next up from Victoria's Secret, I had a little heyday over there. So I got 3 tops, and I actually got these for like going out for the spring and summer. They're like lingerie, but I like to wear these out. So this is the first one. I got this in a size small. However, I wish I would have gotten an extra small. It's a little big on me, but super cute. It's this like bright bubblegum pink. And then I also got this one. It's a little bit different, like the cup shape is a little bit different, or like the neckline, but it's so, so cute for going out like to wear with jeans. I'm obsessed. I got this one in a small just because even though this one was big on me, I didn't think this one would because, I don't know, it looked like it would fit. I haven't tried it on yet, to be honest with you guys. Then I also got a black one, also in a size small. So this one's super cute as well. It's like black and like light pink, but I'm here for it. So I got those for like wearing out. And then I also got 3 little thongs to go with it, but I can't show you guys because I've already worn them. But just imagine, I got like a pink pair to go with this, black pair to go with this. And then, okay, so I originally got this like V-string. I got like the matching top for it, but it was too big, and when I was exchanging it, I decided to get this one instead, but it kind of matches, you know? So, yeah, but I got 3 of these just in the corresponding colors. So, that's what I got at Victoria's Secret. Alrighty, let's get into the Revolve stuff because I have so many things to show you guys. So starting off, I got this top from MIAOU. I hear a lot of influencers talking about it, but it's just like this vegan leather little corset top. I got this in a small. I kind of wish I would have got an extra small, but I'm so bad at returning things, so I just kept it and I actually wore it. Very flattering, super cute. It's kind of dented. Yeah, but it was really expensive, so I hope I didn't like ruin it. So we'll see, but yeah, so I got that top. And then I also got this kind of same style top from Superdown. I got this in an extra small in this like emerald green color. I also already wore this. So freaking cute. I wore this out last weekend and I love it so, so much. It's very flattering. Another strapless top that I got also from, no, actually it's from a different brand. It's from Majorelle. I got this in an extra small and it's so freaking cute. It's like white and beige polka dots with like some lace. I haven't worn this yet, but I'm really excited to when it gets a little bit warmer. Next top, I haven't worn this either, but it's from the brand AFRM. I got this in a size small. It's like a long sleeve cropped black floral top and it like hooks at your neck right here. I don't know. I wish I would have gotten it in an extra small. I can't remember why I didn't, but it's still really cute. I just haven't worn it yet, but nonetheless, I like it. Okay, so next up, these shorts are amazing. They're from the brand Ours, I think. So freaking cute. Again, like a vegan leather. I got these in an extra small. They fit so stinking good. And I just really wanted like a pair of black leather shorts because I love black leather in general. So I love these so much. I feel like I should have done like a Revolve try on, but I didn't. So I'm sorry guys. Then I also got this Superdown little black tube top. It's got fur on it. I got this in a extra small. I do wish I would have went up to a small. Still fits, but I wish I would have went for a small. But I haven't worn it yet. I just thought it'd be really cute for like a special occasion. It's literally getting fur all over me. That's the only thing it sheds. They have this in a couple of different colors, I think, but super cute. And then last item from Revolve. I haven't worn these, but I took the tags off, but they're the A Goldie Riley high-rise crop jeans in black in a size 24. I'm wearing them right now in the shade Shatter. They're my go-to jeans. Ever since I've gotten these, I haven't worn any other jeans, you know? So I had to get them in black. However, they don't fit as good as the ones that I already had. So yeah, they're just like not as flattering as the ones that I'm wearing and the ones that I have, but I still like them. I just needed like a good pair of black jeans and they fit me very well lengthwise. All right, last but not least, from Hope E Boutique. I have this beautiful dress. Normally, I work with her on videos and she'll like send me stuff, but this one I bought with my own money because I was so obsessed with it. And yeah, but it's called the Broadway Girls Rhinestone Bodycon Dress in a small in black. It is gorgeous. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this, but I just know, like I had to have it, okay? So don't judge me, but I feel like everybody needs this dress. It's just so stinking cute. So Check out Hopi Boutique. Use code Tori15 for 50% off. I love her so much and all her stuff is adorable. All right guys, so that is it for today's huge shopping spree slash collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have all these items linked in the description box for you guys if you guys want to shop them. Don't forget to check out Dossier and use my discount code HANNAHVICTORIA10 for 10% off your order. I love you guys so, so much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.